When you look at this, what do you think? Meringue baked pudding. It's a meringue baked pudding, and it looks a little different to the normal puddings with the fruits I have done, mangoes, apple, grapes, all that we have put and make with the meringue. And I hope you will enjoy this type of preparation. So it's a something different. So when I keep talking about it, instead of meringue, what you can use and all the rest of it, I will tell. So come, we will go and prepare this type of pudding so that you will enjoy preparing something really nice. So come, I am going to prepare. You watch. With 3 egg whites, I am going to make the meringue. So we will now make the meringue. Only the egg white, no egg yolk, not even a drop of egg yolk should go. We will see how the meringue is going to be done. So only 3 egg whites, right? I have the sugar. Little by little we will start adding. When I add, I will talk to you. Now we will see. Beat the egg whites very stiff. You want to check whether it's beaten enough. When it becomes nice and stiff, you have to check to see whether it's drooping. It should not droop. Till you find that it's not drooping, you beat it. Now I am going to add the sugar. 2, 10, 11 I have put. Right. We have now mixed and finished. I need a little in the back. Okay. That's for the piping. Now I am going to add a little essence for this. Almond essence. About half a teaspoon. Cinnamon powder. That's also I'm using a little. Oh, it will be nice. Oven proof tray. Put the mixture into that. Pipe it around so that it will have a better look, isn't it? I'm going to bake this. I'm going to bake this 150 centigrades for half an hour. If it becomes a little hard or it becomes burnt effect, open the oven door and bake it. Okay, till it gets cooked. That's the meringue that I have cooked. Okay, so we will see what we are going to do now. It's a pudding, so we will see how we are going to do it. Now we have baked the meringue. You can see that I have baked the meringue and kept it. The meringue is baked. Instead of this meringue, you can have a sponge cake. Full sponge cake you can have. Or else we can have even biscuits. Biscuits, crushed biscuits, mix with butter and spread it. It's a base. Meringue, sponge cake or biscuit base, you can have it. Not that it has to be meringue. With 3 egg whites I made it. Either you do it like that or you can have it with the sponge cake or the biscuits. That is, you can have about 200 grams of biscuits, crush it, add a little butter, mix it and spread it at the bottom. That will be nice. Now I am going to do one thing. Mangoes. I have taken 1 mango, chopped nicely, and I put a little lime juice and kept it. Now I am going to stew this. We will see how we are going to stew it now. 1 large mango I took it, so that it will be easy for us to stew it. I have put a little lime, otherwise it would have become discolored. Now I have to stew it now, so about 2 dessert spoons of sugar I have put. If the mangoes are little sour, then more sugar. While I am stewing, what I am going to do is I need 1.5 cups of water. First I'll put 1 cup, then I'll take half a cup. In this half a cup, I'm going to mix the corn flour. 1.5 dessert spoon corn flour. It has to get thicker. Over the meringue, I'm going to put this. Now we will wash this and we are going to do another fruit over it. Now I am going to do the apple. 1 apple, which I am going to stew it. Sugar I will put. Like the way we stewed the mangoes, apple also. What are we to do now? We have to put, as we cut it, what should you do? We have to put a little lime and keep it ready. I put the lime immediately and kept so that it will be easy for us. I need 1 cup of water, but I'm putting half a cup. Other half, I'll keep it here to mix the corn flour. 2 dessert spoons, right? Corn flour. Let that get boiled nicely. Since the mangoes have a flavor, I didn't put any flavor. If you have the mango essence, you can use. Otherwise, there is no point in using. Apple and mangoes, there is a flavor in it and a taste in it. So we don't have to use anything. Nicely mix it. Now what I am going to do is half a cup only I put. Now other half a cup I have put about 2 dessert spoons of corn flour. Mix it. Right, that is ready now. Now what I am going to do is, first thing, I'll add a little cashew nuts. Now I am going to pour this mixture over it. Always remember, now first we put the mango mixture, so till we get this done, we can keep in the fridge for a little while so that it will be a little firm. As I told you, we can always have it, right? Instead of the meringue, what did I say? Either sponge cake, or you can have it with the biscuit. Once it is set, only we have to decorate it. Decorate the top with grapes. It's a lovely pudding. Mint also I am using. Something different to the normal preparation I have done so that you will enjoy preparing this type of preparation because it's a food. We have done this pudding. I am sure whenever we make a pudding, either after dinner or tea time or even after lunch, we can have a dessert. That dessert is pudding. Before you come for the next episode, you have to try it out and see whether it's nice, whether it's tasty, whether you like it. And I would love it if you really like it. Right. And I'll come back with the next episode very soon. Till then, bye from me now.